You know those days you crave something satisfying? I mean something quick, simple and absolutely delicious. Well, this is how I make my snacks whenever that craving hits. This puff roll is so delicious, it's easy, flaky and it's ready in no time. Let's begin with the filling. In a pan, go in with a little oil. Once it's hot enough, add your salt, onions and fry till it caramelizes well. Then I go in with bell peppers and spices. I use curry, fine and seasoning cube. Go in with your shredded chicken. Stay to combine and allow to cook for a while before adding your sardine and carrots. The sardine mix in this puff roll was just so perfect. The flavor blended beautifully with the spices and the veggies. Now stir well and test to see if you need any adjustment in the spices before adding your cornstarch slurry. Cook a little bit more and bring it down. See how the cornstarch binds the fillings perfectly together. It will prevent the pastry from going soggy. Let's prep our dough. Unwrap the dough and lay it on your work surface. I am using ready-made puff pastry I picked up from the mall. You can absolutely make yours at home, but today I wanted something quick and easy. You will notice the baking paper attached to the dough. Don't worry about it for now. Keep that on while you work. It prevents sticking and makes rolling and shaping much easier. Now add your filling. I was a bit generous with my filling. Roll and cover gently, then remove the baking paper. Removing the baking paper might feel a little sticky. Gently and carefully peel it off. Make sure it's wrapped nicely without pressing too hard. Now if you have watched this video up to this point, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Like, subscribe, share and drop your feedback. Also turn on your notification button so that you'll be notified first. We have nice, quick and easy recipes to share with you. Since this puff roll is made as a log, once we finish rolling it, we will go ahead and cut it into pieces. Take your time here. Use a sharp knife so you can get a clean and even slices. You can decide how long you want them. But I like to cut mine into medium pieces so they bake evenly and look really nice on the tray. Is this something you would love to give a try? Let me know what you think in the comment section. This was quite quick and easy. Within 5 minutes I was done rolling this puff. Go ahead and cut your puff roll. Then gently tuck the edges in with a fork, your finger or tip of a knife. This just helps keeps the filling in place while it bakes and gives each piece a neat finished look. It's a small step, but it makes a big difference in the final presentation. Once everything is shaped and tucked, they are ready for the egg wash and baking. Now place your puff roll pieces onto a baking tray, giving them a little space to puff up as they bake. Once they are all arranged, lightly coat the surface with egg wash. You don't need too much. A gentle brush is all it takes to make them look glossy. Now bake your puff roll at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. And there you have it. Just look at the beauty. So flaky, so tasty, and so scrumptious. Craving satisfied. If you have watched up to this point, thank you so much. Please like and subscribe if you are yet to do so. We have amazing recipes that you would love. For now, see you in my next video. Bye!